Hello. So this is my submission for the placement cell project. So on my left is the code editor, and like I have segregated all the code. Like the controllers are in a different folder, assets are in different folder, configuration files are in different folder, all the models are in a different folder, routes are in different. So I have segregated all of them, and so I'll show you the functionality of the page. So when I first go to this URL, I'll be showing with this landing page. I have two options here. Either I can log in or I have a sign up option here. When I click on it, I'll get a sign up form. So only the company's employee can sign up. So if I try to, sorry, if I try to sign up with uh, any other domain, uh, so it will give me that you're not authorized to sign up. Okay. So I just log in it once. Only email IDs with the domain of coding ninjas can log in as of now. So once I log in, I come on this dashboard page. On my left is the students list, all the students that are available, and on my right are the interviews that are already be like scheduled. So from here, I can add a student. For example, I'll add a student and I'll add a dummy email ID. I'll add a batch. I'll add a college name. I'll add a score. Yes. Yeah. And here it shows that student code ninja is created successfully. And here I can see that it has been created and the status is not placed as of. Similarly, from here I can also add an interview. Like for example, coding ninja is coming for a placement, and for example it's coming on 26th of February, and I click on add interview. I get a pop-up that interview graded successfully. Company name is coding ninjas. Okay. And this interview list is sorted in ascending order. Like the interviews that are coming first will be shown at the top. So here coding ninjas is date of visit is 26th of February. So we start when we click on any of the interview, we land up to the interview details page. Here it shows that company name is coding ninjas and the date of visit is 26th of February. Even from here, I can add a student or add an interview. So in this we have two options. Like one is for the unregistered students and one is for the registered students for this particular interview. So as of now we don't have any registered students for this interview. So it shows that no students are registered for this interview. And if I select multiple users and click on register, I get all those users that I have already selected have been moved to the registered students list for this particular interview. And from here also I can update the status for each student. So yeah, so for example, suppose this student registered for this interview and he passed that interview. Okay, so the status should change to placed. So when I click on update status, uh, I get a notification that student successfully, and when I go to dashboard, now it shows that this student is placed in a company. Okay. And similarly I'll add, like I'll populate some more data. And okay. Okay, so now I can see these three students are placed in a company, and we have an option to download the report. The report consists of all the interview details and all the students that those registered for the particular interview, and what is the status. So when I click on download, I'll get a CSV file. Okay, I'll open it with Excel, and here I can see, yeah. So here I can see that, mm, yeah, this student registered for Coding Ninjas interview on 26th of February, and that student has passed. So and his status is placed. So this all contains all the students that have been registered to an interview and their status. So what we can also see is that this Akash, like this student, uh, registered for two different interviews. So his both of these details are here. Like for Lululemon, the result is on hold, and in Coding Ninjas, the result is on registered. So this was my whole project. Thank you.